Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen essential that we found online, the Wildone Mixing Bowls Set with Airtight Lids. We've included the link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this product stand out. The Wildone Mixing Bowls Set is a versatile kitchen tool designed for both cooking enthusiasts and everyday home cooks. This set includes a total of 6 bowls, ranging from 0.63 quarts to 5 quarts, ensuring you have the perfect size for any task, whether you're mixing batter, tossing salads, or prepping ingredients. One of the most significant features of this set is its durable construction. Made from high-quality stainless steel, these bowls are rust-proof and dent-resistant, ensuring they'll last for years in your kitchen. The mirror finish interior not only looks elegant but is also easy to clean, while the matte finish exterior adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen decor. Another standout feature is the airtight lids. These lids fit snugly on each bowl, providing an airtight seal that keeps your food fresh for longer. This means you can use the bowls not just for mixing but also for storing leftovers or dry ingredients. Plus, the included grater attachments make food prep even more convenient. The set comes with 3 different grater inserts, slicing, grating, and shredding, that fit securely into the lid of the largest bowl, transforming it into a multifunctional kitchen tool. The Wildone Mixing Bowls Set is suitable for a wide variety of users. Whether you're a busy parent looking to streamline your meal prep, a cooking novice trying to improve your skills, or a seasoned chef wanting reliable kitchen tools, this set is designed to meet your needs. The non-slip silicone bottoms ensure stability on your countertop, making it easy to whisk, beat, or mix ingredients without worrying about spills. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Suppose you're preparing a family dinner. You can use the largest bowl for mixing a big batch of dough while utilizing the smaller bowls for prepping individual ingredients like chopped vegetables or marinades. The clear measurement markings inside the bowls make it easy to keep track of your ingredient quantities. If you're hosting a gathering, these bowls are perfect for serving as well. You can toss a salad in one bowl, serve pasta in another, and keep your sauces or dips fresh in the smaller bowls, all while using the airtight lids for easy storage afterward. When it comes to cleaning, the bowls are conveniently dishwasher safe, but keep in mind that the lids should be hand washed to avoid any deformation. Storage is another area where this set shines. The bowls are designed to nest neatly within each other, saving you valuable cupboard space. This feature makes it easy to keep your kitchen organized, especially in smaller spaces where every inch counts. Overall, the Wildone Mixing Bowls Set with airtight lids offers a combination of durability, versatility, and style that is hard to beat. Whether you're whipping up a simple breakfast or preparing for a large feast, this set is equipped to handle all your mixing and storage needs. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.